Okay, so this is a recipe for homemade hand sanitizer. You need spiritus, which is a 95% proof alcohol. I've read somewhere that it's actually even better when it's not as strong. 75% is enough. Then you need the aloe vera gel. You can get it at not this specific brand, but you can get them at just beauty stores. And 90% or more is preferable. You need glycerin. This is a monster bottle that I bought some time ago, but they sell them in much smaller portions at the drugstores. And you need essential oils. Any essential oil you like, you need to make sure you're not allergic to them before you use them. You can use anything you like, but there are essential oils that also help you kill microbes or bacteria, like tea tree oil, for example. But they have specific scent. Not everyone likes them. Okay, guys. So you take 85 milliliters of the alcohol. 50. 50, 60, 70, 85. Okay, that's it. Then you need 15 milliliters of your aloe vera gel. It's better if it's liquid because then it's just easier to mix in. Okay, you mix it all up. The aloe vera, oftentimes you can get it in almost like a liquid form, which is a lot better than this. So try to dissolve it. Okay. Then you put 5 drops of the glycerin. Drops and 3 to 5 drops of the essential oil. I'm going to use lavender. 3, 4, 5. Okay, and it's done. Your hand sanitizer is ready. I use this bottle. I go to the Drossmans. It's one of those traveling bottles that you can find, and you're ready to go.